Hey neighbors, it's Brent, and we're out in Star Trail today in Prosper, Texas to go through this beautiful Toll Brothers home that we are building for some lovely clients. This is actually the same floor plan as the model in Star Trail. Just in case you're interested, let's go take a tour. So believe it or not, Toll Brothers seems to be the most popular model home tour I've ever done. People love looking at Toll Brothers homes, and there's a reason for that. They build beautiful homes. They're absolutely gorgeous, and the end product just keeps increasing in value. So, sorry about the background noise. I got a skid steer behind me grading a lot, but that's what happens at new construction. All right, in this floor plan, we've got a single car garage over here, got a double over here. And you may be wondering, what is all this black stuff, and what is up with this mesh material that's on the side of this house? Well, that's what you do when you put in stucco. And that's why we don't have any brick or stone delivered here, because this floor plan, this elevation my clients picked, is gonna have stucco all over it. And stucco's basically cement that has dye in it. It has a color, and here's all the trim molding for the house. You can always tell they deliver these things and put them up that way. Here's all the doors in for the home. The drywall is up. They've tape bedded, textured it. It's ready to be painted. They've got all the windows in. They're gonna do the trim molding pretty soon. Can't wait to see that. That's gonna be gorgeous. So as we come in, we have got a massive utility room with a window in it. This little ante room here, and then this big front door. They have already installed the metal front door. Now, what you can't imagine, this is probably a 250, 300 pound steel door, but look how easy that thing moves. That's how well balanced these are. Absolutely incredible. Plus, these things are very secure. Once the deadbolt lock is turned in this thing, from a security standpoint, yes, you could smash the windows, but it takes like a sledgehammer to do it. But the steel frame of these things is incredibly, incredibly tough. Beautiful front office. French doors will go in there. Got a powder bath in here. And then this is that magnificent entryway that you guys have seen in the model home tour, or you may have actually been out here with me trying to buy a Toll Brothers home. The thing that's so intriguing about this home, this floor plan, is this courtyard. It is just absolutely the neatest thing how on the interior of this home we have this courtyard, and then as you walk through the house you have windows, 2 stories worth of windows looking out onto the courtyard. Of course, the model home went over the top. They've got a water feature in there and a fireplace. Now this is the family room. There'll be a wall of that's a wall of glass doors that move, and the kitchen area is over here with the island. This is just a stunning floor plan. There's a recessed area in there. This is typically done out as a wine room with glass. This one will be done a little bit differently. I've even had a client do a cigar humidor in here. I didn't know that was a thing we could do, but apparently it is. If you guys like really nice cigars and you want to have a cigar humidor, go for it. We've got a really good sized back porch. It is of course covered. It'll have lights and a fan. Can't get out there right now because all the scaffolding's up for them to get ready to start on the stucco. This is a very impressive family room. One of the prettiest floor plans I think that I've built for the Toll Brothers. I mean, it's just a big, gorgeous house. Usually done up in a very modern or transitional style. Recessed ceilings, lots of glass in here, a lot of light. Very, very impressive if you build a pool back here and you've got a water feature. You can hear the water in the bedroom. Moving into the master bath, gonna have a wall lavatories, a big walk-in shower, facilities, closets, just an absolutely gorgeous, very impressive, and you can see the rain head and then the standard shower head plumbing. Just a very impressive master bath. It's a breathtaking home. I mean, it is a doozy. Then off the family area, we have Another bedroom with a walk-in shower, sink, toilet, all the necessary stuff. And that, guys, that's just the first floor. This is a really big house, like really big. Now, I don't know how I can walk up here and show you this, but I'm trying to show you how impressive it is when you walk up here. Maybe if I spin around. So this is on the landing, on the staircase, and then that's going down. Just gorgeous. And then we do another turn, and we finally arrived upstairs. Look at all the light. Understand there's no power in here, and look how much light we have due to all of these windows and these windows. I mean, my clients they're gonna have a breathtaking home. Amazing neighborhood. We really did go unicorn hunting when we got this house. Jen, the sales associate out here, just lovely to work with. Absolutely love her, super helpful. So as you can see, we're ready to paint. Gonna put in some trim molding. So guys, don't ever worry about this. This is overspray from the texture when they do the drywall. They've got plastic coating on there, and that stuff comes right off glass with a razor blade knife. You just scrape it off. The builders have this down to an art form. They know how to clean it all up, and it'll look perfect. So these are the bedrooms upstairs. Anytime you see access to what we call the HVAC or the ductwork in here, the attic access, there's a door typically that'll have a lock on it so kiddos can't get out there. So this is the bathroom for this bedroom. Walk-in closets over there. And then we've got another bedroom over here. So there's the bath for this bedroom and for the hall with a walk-in closet. That is bigger than a reach-in by a long shot. I typically have to have a big closet before I call it a walk-in. And so the big entertaining area with the media room is served by that bathroom. So it's pretty funny. You guys don't realize that I've got a pretty thick shirt on and a vest. It's 32 degrees right now at 9 a.m. Today, the high is going to be 70. And then tomorrow morning, the low is going to be in the 20s, I think. So a lot of our clients that relocate from California, they're always blown away how Texas weather can move. You know, it's nothing for us to have a 30-degree span during the day. Some days we've had 70-degree movements. Is that right? I'm getting old. Let me check. We've had days where it was over 100 degrees, and like 48 hours before it was 30 degrees. So yeah, that's right. We've had months in the summer to where we've had 3 months, 3.5 months where it never got below 100 degrees. And then we've had winters where it got down to 0 degrees, even negatives. So Texas weather, it can be extreme. Normally, we have these kind of skies, right? And for most of the year, it's either 55 degrees to 100. Gorgeous. But sometimes we get extreme weather. Not always. So if you guys are thinking of moving to Texas and y'all need a realtor to help you build a house, don't call me. Call one of my awesome agents. They're really awesome. They're better than me. They don't have as many wrinkles. They got funnier jokes. They're smarter than me. I'm getting old. But if you do want to work with me, you're certainly welcome to call me. Anyone on my team is personally trained by me in new construction, and I put them through a 12-week course, and sometimes they don't like it, but it does help them understand new construction, and then they get years of experience out in the field doing this kind of stuff. So if we can help at all, awesome, we would love to. If you're using another realtor, I do hope my videos bless you guys, and if we can ever answer any questions, whether you're using us or someone else, we're always happy to do so to help you out. And as always, may God keep and bless you. May He cause His face to shine upon you and your family and bring you peace.